First, open the NordVPN app on your iPhone and connect to the country or server you want. Once connected, go to your iPhone settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and turn it on. If you are prompted, set a Wi-Fi password to keep your hotspot secure. Next, on your laptop, open the Wi-Fi menu and look for your iPhone's hotspot name. Select it, enter the password, and connect. Your laptop's internet will now go through your iPhone's VPN connection, giving you the same protection and location change as your phone. If you want a more stable connection, you can use USB tethering. Connect your iPhone to your laptop with a cable, enable Personal Hotspot, and choose USB only if available. This can provide a faster and more consistent VPN link. This method works for browsing, streaming, and secure work access. With NordVPN's fast servers and strong encryption, both your iPhone and laptop stay protected while you enjoy unrestricted internet. NordVPN also has advanced security features like threat protection to block harmful sites. It is an all-in-one solution for privacy, security, and access. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep both your iPhone and laptop secure no matter where you are.